This is how you enable the Google Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you don't have Google Gemini on the power button, you can add it, and also you can use the power menu on power button and volume down. When you press power button and volume down at the same time, you get the power menu, so you can add Gemini there for the long press on power button. Also, you have the option to turn on Gemini. When you open the app itself, it gives you the option, but I show you in the settings of your Samsung phone. You go in the settings app and then scroll down all the way to advanced features. First of all, to add the Google Gemini to the side button, if this is what you want. This is the most common way to start Google Gemini. And on the side button action, you can set Google Assistant or Digital Assistant, because you can have multiple options. And actually Google Assistant is not really used anymore. You can still switch back to Google Assistant, but it's mostly Gemini now. You can have an action for double press if that's what you want, but I don't really need to do that. I don't use that. I show you the setting because it might be useful to have something for double tap. And you have instructions on how you power off your phone. You can use the volume button, and some Android phones, they will have volume up and power button. In this case on Samsung, it's volume down and power button. Then go back in the settings, and I want to show you from here, you have the options for Google. It might take some time to find it, but take your time. In the main settings page of your phone, you will have a section called Google. Then press all services and scroll all the way down to search assistant and voice. Here you have the option for Google Gemini, and all you have to do is press turn on. You could have done this in the same thing in the app, but I wanted to show you that you can change these settings from here, from the Google settings and the Gemini settings. You can change the voice of Google Gemini, which is an AI assistant like Google Assistant, and also if it's working on the lock screen while driving also. And I don't use it like that. I prefer to just use it sometimes. And you can also choose to go back to Google Assistant or turn it off completely if that's what you want. But now Gemini is enabled on a long press for the power button, and you can ask it anything here. You can ask it about the weather, to set timers. You can use lots of options, and especially to search the internet, do research, find information. That's what an AI assistant is really good at. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.